How to add traveler's information in KKday. So here in KKday, to add the traveler's information, all we need to do is open up our KKday right here. Once we open up our KKday right here, click on My Account on the bottom right corner. After pressing on My Account right here, you'll be located to your account right here. Next thing we need to do is, as you can see on the top right, you will see a settings icon. Press on the settings icon top right corner. Right there. After pressing the settings icon top right corner, you will see Traveler. Press on Traveler once you're ready to add a person. Once you're here at Traveler, you will see we don't have any travel buddy saved. So now we're gonna click on Add. There you go. Now we are now able to enter. You can add their first name. Let's say their first name is K, last name is J. Then here, put in gender. We'll put in say male. Country code. You can add the phone number, email, birthday, and nationality right there. And once you're done, just click on done right here on the top right corner. There you go, done. As you see right now, we need to put in an email. So before I quick tip for you guys, you only need to add your friend's first name, last name, and email for requirements. You don't need to add the phone number, birthday, any of those. You don't need to add any of those when traveling, adding a traveler right here. And here you see profile picture right there. You can add your friend's profile picture right there if you want. And once you're done, just click on done on top right corner, and there you go. Then you're done. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys like the video. Please enjoyed. If you have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible in here. How to rock it, guys. Thank you guys, and thank you guys.